Good morning, YouTube. This is Carrying Cowgirl, and I had a request to show my everyday carry gun, my Ruger LC9. Here it is. It is not loaded, so I'll show you. This is Raspberry, like I call her, because that's her name. I carry her every day. I enjoy shooting this gun. I've watched other people's videos that some don't enjoy shooting it, and I've shot other guns of friends and things like that. I don't have a lot of guns myself yet. Plan on getting more, but I enjoy shooting it. It makes me feel safe, and it's easy to conceal, and it is pink. I hope everyone takes me seriously with a pink gun, because I'm serious. So, yeah, here's my favorite gun, my Ruger LC9. Thanks for watching.